Hey Dr. Harlow, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more clients to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I've found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do for free has resulted in some of these local business owners I work with still raising their hands and saying, I like what you do and I want you to help me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with gaining clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this attack plan and use it for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over with is content. And what I mean by that is Google likes to see approximately 1,500 words on your homepage with a density of words that are related to the industry that you're in. So in your situation, it would be chiropractor in Mobile, Alabama is something that they'd be looking for. And then just family chiropractor and so on and so forth. Well, looking at your homepage, it looks like you're about 400 words or so. So that's going to be a little short, and I'm actually going to take you to this tool that I have called SEO Quake, which you can download on your computer and use for yourself for free. And yeah, you're at 407 words. And you're ranking for the word chiropractic. Then the next relatable word to what you actually do, well, you have mobile, so that'll show for your location. Then you have spinal body chiropractor down here, which does need to be bumped up quite a bit. Looking down here, chiropractic clinic, Harlow Chiropractic. Okay, so you have some good keywords in there. They need a little work, but it's very easy to do. And now I want to take you to the competitor's website. So this is Corsentino Chiropractic. My apologies. They have a little bit more content on their page, and we'll actually go over to SEO Quake and take a look at theirs. And they're running about 1,000 words, so they're still pretty short, and they actually rank close to the top on Google whenever I search chiropractor in Mobile, Alabama. I'll actually show you this right here. Chiropractor, Mobile, Alabama. So Corsentino Chiropractic, they're number 1 right there, and number 1 right there in the Google Map Pack. And this next website that we're going to look at is going to be for Discover Chiropractic, and they actually have a lot of content on this page, and it doesn't look like just a whole lot of words, but they have a lot of content in these photos and stuff as well. And we'll look at SEO Quick for their website, and they are at about 2,200 words. So that is quite a bit. It'd take some catching up to do, but it wouldn't be just astronomically hard. And they're ranking for words as chiropractic, mobile, so on and so forth. Good keywords to use for y'all's line of work. And the next thing I want to talk about are citations. And to back that up a little bit, I want to talk about the Google Map Pack right here. And what we have are these things called NAPs. And this refers to the name, address, and phone number of businesses inside the Google Map Pack. Well, the way that businesses are able to acquire this position in the Map Pack for whenever someone searches chiropractor Mobile, Alabama, and they pop up first is through this thing called citations. I'm going to go to this other app called WhiteSpark that I have, and I ran citations on your business, so y'all are at 37, and these other businesses such as Discover and Corsentino and even Mobile Chiropractic Associates. They're running approximately 50, and like I said, you're sitting at about 37, so you're not too far behind, but optimally, you want to be sitting at 200 to 300 citations. That would really just beat the competition by a landslide. Not a lot of people are going to be pushing that many citations through their website, and you'll pop up first whenever someone searches for chiropractor in Mobile, Alabama. That being said, I want to move on to the third thing, which is called backlinks. And to give a definition of what backlinks are, it's whenever you have like website A points to website B, telling anybody on website A that, hey, go look at website B, they have what you're looking for, and it essentially turns into a popularity contest between websites. So whoever has the most high quality backlinks is going to be more popular in Google's eyes, and they're going to rank in what we call the organic section, which Discover Chiropractic right here under Dr. Don Ellis is number 1 in the organic behind the Yelp reviews. So even they have work to do to get to the number 1 spot because they're getting beat out by Yelp right now. which you could take advantage of and do yourself instead. That being said, we're going to go to SEO Quake again. We're going to look at backlinks for your website. So you currently have one backlink, which is really low, but once again, with work, that number can be up very easily. Now we look at the competition. They have 160 at Corsentino Chiropractic, which is quite a bit more. And I think they're running 100. Yeah, they're running 160 at Discover Chiropractic as well. So there's a lot of catching up to do to these guys, but still you need to be at 200 to 300. So they're not even where they need to be. But we could definitely fix that. So in closing, I just want to kind of touch on the 3 things that we talked about today. So we talked about content, which had to do with the 1,500 words of good content on your home page for people to click on Google. That way you rank higher. Second thing was citations in the Google Map Pack. So we're going to go take another look at these citations. So you have these citations that websites have, putting your name, address, phone number out there. And the thing I didn't show you earlier, you can actually click on these. You can see what citations these other businesses are running, and you can use them for yourself. Just go in there and submit your information. So we had citations, and then we had backlinks, which was that popularity contest that we talked about, and getting ranked organically #1 on Google. That's the best way to do that. With that being said, if you like what you see in this video, just give me a call at 903-715-7876. I'd be really interested in at least sitting down and talking to you about what your goals are for your business and seeing if I could help in any way and provide a good value to you and your staff there at Harlow Chiropractic. Like I said, my name is Zach. Just give me a call at 903-715-7876. Have a good day. Bye.